Good morning, grade 5. How are you? I hope you will be doing good and attending your lectures regularly. Welcome to your English online lecture, that is of unit number 2. Today we will start it, and the topic is ePALS computers. We will learn about use of going to versus will, and the vocabulary related to computers or the IT, and we will learn about different countries and their nationalities. If you look at the title of the unit, do you use computer at school or like at home? Have you ever used computer at school or home? Or have you ever sent an email to someone? If no, we will, inshallah. Actually, email is a message that you type on the computer and send it to somebody by using, you can say, internet or some phone line. And as well as there is ePal. ePal is a friend who lives a long way, maybe in a different city or in a different country, and you don't manage to meet them, but you can send them emails to but you can send emails to each other. In the same way, pen pals were the long distances friendship you maintain by writing letters to each other. There is minor difference. E-pal are used nowadays by sending emails. You can be in touch with your friends by sending emails, but at if we talk about the past, there were pen pals in which the people were used to send letters to each other to stay in touch. There is a question: is this still exist, the pen pals? No. Why? Because the modern technology has declined this and the use of pen pals. Because the modern technology has removed the world's communication gap. It's a global village now. ग्लोबल विलेज है ना, हम कहीं भी किसी को भी किसी भी टाइम पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं विद इन फ्यू सेकेंड्स. There is one more question. Can you tell me a few things that we did the countries have common in them, like the all the countries have in them the same things? Obviously, their communication system or their technologies. Maybe there is a little difference between or regarding the advanced technologies, but the communication system and technologies will be the same. And if we talk about the things different in different countries, that will be their culture, their tradition, their language, their standard living standards. Each and everything is different. It will be according to the region or according to the place they are living. It will be their own. Am I right? While I'm reading the dialogue, you have to listen it very carefully and you will find the answers. Okay, I'm just going to start its reading, and the first exercise is, what is Jude going to look for and what is she going to write about? Jude, I think I'm going to look for an apple in Italy. Like she is going to look for a apple in Italy. And but Nadia is saying, what's an apple? She is asking about the apple. What is it? Today, it's a modern kind of pen pal. People used to write letters to their pen pals. Now they send email or they email each other. I just want to practice my Italian. Nadia, sounds interesting. What are you going to write about? Today, we'll write about our interest and so on. What they are going to write in the email, or like the what they are going to discuss in the emails about their interests, like about their favorites, like about their birthdays, their families. There are different things to talk about. We can write about the things that we do differently in our countries. Like as I have asked you, what are the things that are different in the different countries, different things in different countries. They are their weddings, their culture, their tradition, their languages, their living standard. There are many more. So today, Nadia, basketball isn't different about abroad today. No, but food is. Their food is also different. Their birthdays are different, and families do things differently because they have their own cultures, their own traditions. Nadia, I guess you're right. How are you going to find an e-pill? Today, I have got some ideas. I'll tell you after half term. I must go now. Nadia, good luck. So the question was, what is Jude going to look for? Yes, she was or she is going to look for an e-pill in Italy. Very good job. You have to give the complete answer. And what is this? She is going to look for an e-pill in Italy. And the next one is what she is going to write about. She is going to write about her interests, like their food, their birthdays, and their families. Is it clear? Its exercise number 2 is look at the table and say how each person is going to find an e-pill. And they have given us an example like Judy is going to look for an e-pill in the Italy. We have to match the first and the second column. The second one is Dan, and we are going to match it with the Spain. Dan is going to look for an e-pill in Spain. The third one is Tom, and Tom is going to look for an e-pill in Greece. Syra is going to look for an e-pill in Australia. Parveen is going to look for an e-pill in China. Imran is going to look for an e-pill in Sri Lanka. Is it clear? And in exercise 3, we are going to use the third column of exercise 2. Exercise 3 is ask and answer. How is Jude going to look for an e-pill? She is going to ask her mom who's Italian. And if we talk about the second one about Dan, how is Dan going to look for an e-pill? Dan is going to ask his teacher who's Spanish. The third one is about Tom. How is Tom going to look for an e-pill? Tom is going to ask the shopkeeper who's Greek. Syra is how is Syra going to look for an e-pill? She is going to ask her teacher who's Australian. How is Parveen going to look for an e-pill? She is going to write to her friend who's Chinese. How is Imran going to look for an e-pill? He is going to ask the neighbor who's Sri Lankan. These are the nationalities of the countries given in the middle column, like Italy, Italian. Italian is the language or the people of Italy. Spain, Spanish is the language or people of Spain. In the same way, Greek, Australian, Chinese, Sri Lankan, they are the nationalities. Okay? It's exercise 4 is what about you? What are you going to do after this lesson? Are you going to complete your work? Are you going to revise this lesson or the lectures you have attended? Or are you going to take lunch or like to watch TV? What will you do? And the second one is, what are you going to do after school? As nowadays the timings are from 9 to 1 of your online lectures, these are your school timings. And what are you going to do after school? Like after 1 o'clock, what you will do? You will play, are you going to play with your siblings? Are you going to play, are you going to watch TV? Or are you having some other plans, like to revise, to complete your work, or something else? And the next one is, what are you going to have for lunch or dinner? Like, are you going to order some burger or the fast food, or are you going to have your favorite food made by your mother or cooked by your mother? And the next one is, what are you going to do at the weekend? Are you going to have some special plans with your family to visit your relatives and to go for a picnic or to somewhere you like the most? Is it clear? In unit number 2, lesson number 2, there are few devices, and we have to match those devices, or we have to write the correct in the sentence. Match the pictures with words in the box where possible. Choose the correct word or phrase to complete each sentence. Printer, mouse, keyboard, internet, and power supply. I told you that we are going to learn about some vocabulary regarding relates to computer or the IT. So these are the devices related to computers, IT. And the first one is printer. Printer is used to take print of something, like of text or some images or both. And mouse is an input device that is used to point something on the screen, and it controls the movement of the cursor. The third one is keyboard, and it is used to type or to give instructions to the computer. And the fourth one is internet. Internet is a global wide area network that connects computer systems across the world. ठीक है, हम जो भी कनेक्शन हमारा क्रिएट होता है, ग्लोबल विलेज जो मैंने पहले भी डिस्कस किया एक वर्ड, ये उसी सूरत में है जब इंटरनेट की प्रेजेंस होगी. द इंटरनेट प्रोवाइड डिफरेंट ऑनलाइन सर्विसेज लाइक वेब और ईमेल. हम ईमेल के थ्रू दूसरों से कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं. और देयर इज़ वन मोर थिंग, वेब, दैट इज़ कलेक्शन ऑफ बिलियंस ऑफ web pages. And the last one is power supply, जो कि electricity provide करता है. ठीक है, the first one, you type on a dash. When you type, you use all your fingers and thumbs, not just 2 fingers. इसमें हमारी लेडी फिंगर यूज़ नहीं होती टाइपिंग में. ठीक है, तो टाइप करने के लिए हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? That is keyboard. ठीक है, you get electricity from a dash. Turn it off when you finish your work. हमें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कहाँ से मिलती है? पावर सप्लाई से. गुड जॉब. You use a dash to move the flashing line like the cursor around your computer screen. That is very good. Mouse. Good. And print your work on the dash. It can print pages in color or black and white. प्रिंटर हमें दोनों तरह से प्रिंट देता है, ब्लैक एंड वाइट में भी और कलर प्रिंटर में भी. There is little difference in the cost. Is it clear? So printer है ये. To send your emails and files, connect to the dash. You can send your emails, files and pictures down the phone line. तो हमें कौन हेल्प करता है दूसरे लोगों से कनेक्ट होने के लिए, ईमेल्स वगैरह सेंड करने के लिए? That is internet. Is it clear? You have to practice the questions in lesson number 1. Okay, and see you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.